recommend, I would absolutely recommend.
And so I would very much recommend.
So yes, I would for sure recommend.
I would definitely like to recommend.
I will definitely recommend.
I'll definitely recommend.
Well, highly recommend it.
I recommend it.
Everybody to go through the certification, because there is a lot of bundle of information to be consumed.
Gaining proficiency in analytic tools like Tableau, which has already in fact proven invaluable in my current role. It helps me a lot to support the claims whichever I make, for employee advocacy, or maybe for bringing a new initiative, or for budgeting, for everything.
Were completely unaware of this concept of unconscious bias. She handled that entire portion so well. So I feel that was the biggest takeaway.
I really appreciate the entire team, Sunny, Indrani. I mean, you've been always there. Anytime I ping, I message, you've been always there.
They teach you from the basic core of human psychology. Skill set is something which definitely can be learned and gained over time, but the mindset is something which takes a lot of thought process to be built eventually. And the mentors with Ripples, they start from the scratch, starting from how human psychology work, how people mind work within corporate and professional systems. I think that was the core learning, and then it combined with the technical knowledge that is required for the job.
There were a lot of materials which was given. Definitely the handbooks that helped a lot. It was not just the courses.
I'm impressed with the flipping the classroom concept and the courseware which they provided. They made it in such a manner that the words they used and the explanations were in a very simpler manner, where the layman terms and the layman can understand in an easy manner.
The level of support that you get here at CHRMP when it comes to the material and the videos, let it be the boot camp, and the one-on-one support during the live session or after the live session is it's commendable.
Weekly 2 to 3 times we used to get ideas. We used to share our ideas. We used to share our thought process about the HR industry. We used to get so many insights about industrial things and human resources, and these were some of the things which I really liked about CHRMP.